Imagine a phone with a 7,000 mAh battery, 144Hz display, and dual 50-megapixel cameras. It might actually replace your flagship. The Realme 15 Pro released on July 30th, 2025, and it's already making waves. But how does it actually feel day to day? Let's break it down. First, the design. The phone is 187 grams and just 7.7 millimeters thick, light and comfortable to hold. The front is glass, the frame aluminum, and the back is either fiberglass or eco leather, which feels surprisingly premium. Plus, it has IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance, meaning it can handle splashes, rain, and even brief immersion up to 2 meters. Realme also claims MIL-STE 810H compliance, so it's tougher than most mid-range phones. You might think that makes it bulky, but it's actually sleek and well-balanced. But here's the part that really makes it stand out. Wait until you see the display specs. The 6.8-inch OLED display runs at 144Hz, giving smooth scrolling and responsive touch. It supports HDR10+, 1 billion colors, and peaks at 6,500 nits. So bright outdoors, even in sunlight. The resolution is 1280 by 2800 with a 19.5:9 ratio and 453 ppi, which means sharp, crisp visuals. For gaming, video, or even casual scrolling, this display feels premium. And yes, the 144Hz refresh rate is noticeable. Menus, games, and animations feel buttery smooth. But does this phone really handle performance as well as it looks? Let's find out. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 and Adreno 722 GPU. Paired with 8 or 12 gigabytes RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, multitasking and gaming are smooth. Heavy apps run well, and most modern games play at high settings without stuttering. Storage goes up to 512 gigabytes, but no micro SD slot, so pick your model carefully. Running Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0, the software is fast and intuitive, with minimal bloat. Realme has kept it simple, which means more resources go straight to performance.
The Global View Hidden Magnetic GPS Tracker is a game changer for monitoring your car, truck, or even valuable assets. Installation takes just 10 seconds. With its strong magnetic backing, no tools needed. With up to 6 months of battery life and a rechargeable lithium battery, it keeps tracking non-stop. Get real-time updates straight to your phone, whether you're keeping an eye on family, business fleets, or personal vehicles. It also features geofence alerts and speed warnings, so you'll know instantly if a vehicle leaves a set area or drives too fast. Starting at just $18 per month with no contracts, the app gives you full control and peace of mind. Protect what matters. Grab your Global View GPS tracker today and start tracking instantly.
The dual 50-megapixel cameras are solid. The main lens has OIS for sharper photos and steady videos, while the ultra-wide covers 116 degrees. Daylight shots are crisp and vibrant, and the 50-megapixel front camera also handles 4K video. Selfies look detailed and natural. Low-light performance is decent for this range thanks to OIS and software optimization. Video recording supports 4K at 3060 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS, which is impressive for a mid-range phone. But the feature that might surprise you the most is battery life. Here's the standout: a 7,000 mAh battery. In tests, it delivered over 17 hours of active use. Realme's 80-watt fast charging can take it to 50% in just 25 minutes, so you can literally charge during breakfast and get through the day without stress. Heavy users won't need to panic about running out of battery, which is rare in this price segment. You also get stereo speakers, NFC, and an under-display fingerprint sensor. No headphone jack, but most users won't miss it. Overall, Realme 15 Pro balances performance, battery, display, and cameras extremely well. If you want a phone that handles almost everything without breaking the bank, this is one to seriously consider. That's the Realme 15 Pro. Massive battery, smooth 144Hz OLED, and dual 50-megapixel cameras make it a mid-range powerhouse. If you enjoyed this review, check the description for links and hit subscribe for honest tech updates.